Hello and welcome, folks. My name is Finian from Plushlife, and as you know, we're on the final phase of the pre-order of the Plushlife Wolf. And you might have heard from some rumors that we are actually making oversized versions of that. Because for some, even that size is not big enough, apparently. And it is a little bit on short notice, but we managed to get a sample made from the factory. It's here today and I have not unpacked it myself. So today we do a little bit of an unboxing slash stuffing session because it's so big that even with the biggest box we can ship, it's not big enough. So you have to add your own stuffing, approximately 7 kilograms of it, 15 pounds. And that's what we're gonna do today in this video and take a look and maybe compare the two so we get a little bit of an idea of what we are actually talking about. So let's see what we have gotten ourselves into this one. As you can see already, we're kindly talking about something bigger than before. So this is not just a little bit more size, this is approximately 1.5 in each direction. So here we have the soft stuff, the fluffy stuff. All right. And here we have some fleece, nicely packed with a tie. So the main idea is that we are now using this fleece, which actually comes from the furniture industry, to stuff the core in the middle of the plush. So there's some, indeed, so this stuffing itself is a lot lighter per volume and it adds some stiffness. So if you add this to the core in the middle and stuff the soft stuff around it, then you get a little bit of the shape-keeping effect that small plushies have by itself. But on bigger plushies, the stuffing actually starts tending to act more like a liquid. And then, yeah, the plushie just flops around, you lift it up and the stuffing just moves in there. So this is there to prevent it. The next stuff you need to know about our plushies is they have a zipper, and it always is in the back and starts right where the tail ends, so at the tail tip. And there you go. That is all nice and open. So, and now let's fill this guy up. Looks like this is gonna be my exercise for today. After a while you get actually a hang of it, what your fingers need to do. And that's already it. And now Leshy has a core. So now it's a good time to bring the tail out. All right, looks like we have filled him up completely. At least the stuffing is all gone, so we have to live with whatever's in here and move it around. If you want it firmer, of course, you can always get more stuffing. And yeah, since we have that zipper here, you can now close him up. Careful to not catch any fur, otherwise this might block at some point. And yeah, take a look at Giant Leshy. Yeah, I know. So this guy is quite big, right? So what we can also do is, of course, compare him with the actual Leshy. You can see in comparison, he almost feels small, right? But in fact, he is quite a big plushie already, as you know. So you can imagine what this guy is. So hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day. Bye bye.